The macOS Sequoia 15.7 update has been released with important security fixes, and it is recommended for all macOS Sequoia users. Additionally, I will introduce a completely free Firewall app to further enhance your Mac security, along with a separate tutorial on how to configure the Mac's built-in firewall to manage unwanted incoming connections. I'll install the Sequoia 15.7 update on my MacBook Pro M4, guide you through each step of the process, and inform you if I encounter any issues during installation or once it's complete. Before updating or upgrading, back up your Mac or clone your internal drive to an external one to avoid potential data loss. To update, click System Settings in the dock, then select General, followed by Software Update. Sequoia 15.7 was released on September 15, 2025. It's about 2.11 GB on my MacBook Pro M4. I will install it over 15.6. The update size may vary depending on your current macOS version. macOS 15.7 is a maintenance update aimed at security and stability. When you are ready to proceed, click Update Now. Click Agree, enter your admin password, and press OK to complete the installation. The installation is in progress and will take a while. I'll pause recording to save your time and will resume once it's finished. I'll also inform you if any issues arise during the process. The macOS Sequoia Update 15.7 installation is now finished. It took about 20 minutes on the MacBook Pro M4, but the time may differ depending on your Mac and internet connection. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 4 times during the installation, including 4 black screens that lasted approximately 5, 12, 5, and 25 seconds. I didn't face any issues during installation and can now run macOS Sequoia 15.7 on my MacBook Pro M4. However, there may still be some issues when using this update. As you probably know, macOS includes a built-in Firewall app that can block incoming connections. However, to block outgoing connections, you need to use a third-party app. Fortunately, there is a free Firewall app for macOS called LuLu. This free, useful app can block outgoing invisible connections and boost your Mac's security. I have created a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to configure macOS Firewall and how to install and set up LuLu on your Mac. Take some time to familiarize yourself with LuLu. You won't regret it. Access the links in the description box below this video or watch them at the end of this video. If you are searching for free Mac apps to enhance security and improve your Mac's performance, please check the link to the tutorials in the description box below this video by clicking on More to access it. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.